Good morning, children. Children, as you know, we have already discussed this chapter on Google Meet, but now again I am giving you a summary so that you can understand it well. Okay, children. Now, what is a desert? Important points we will discuss. A desert is a flat area covered with sand. It has got very little vegetation and it receives little or no rainfall. Clear, children? The Aravalli Hills divide Rajasthan into two parts. Okay, the eastern part is very fertile and it has got a river that is known as Chambal River, and the western part is rocky and sandy. Rocky means pathrila and sandy means balua. ठीक है, बालुई मिट्टी वाला. ठीक, तो it is not so fertile as the eastern part. Clear? Now, children, let's see the climate portion. The desert region remains hot and dry throughout the year, as I told you. But in summers, the nights are cool and the days are hot. But in winters, the days are warm and the nights are very cold. Clear? There is very little rainfall in this region. यहाँ पर बहुत कम बारिश होती है. Why? Because the Aravalli Hills lie in the direction of rain-bearing winds and are not able to stop the winds to cause rain. क्योंकि Aravalli Hills जो है वो उस डायरेक्शन में आती है, रेन बेरिंग मतलब जो हवा चलती है उसकी मॉनसून की उसको रोकती है. दैट इज वाई द रेन इज वेरी लेस इन दिस रीजन. इन द डेजर्ट्स wind shifts from one place to another to form mounds, that is known as sand dunes, I told you. And the sand dunes, it keeps on moving in the desert areas continuously. As the wind blow, the sand dunes form, and again when the wind blows, it shifted to other place like this. Sometimes strong winds blow away the sand with great speed, that is called sandstorms. कभी कभी तेज हवाएं बालू को उड़ा ले जाती हैं जिससे कि बालू के तूफान भी आ जाते हैं, that is sandstorms. Now, children, soil erosion. In soil erosion, I told you that the uppermost layer of the soil is very fertile, and because due to wind and water, this upper layer of soil moves away, and that is known as soil erosion. Due to soil erosion, children, the desert becomes dry and barren. Okay, because the upper layer flows away and the upper layer of the soil is very fertile. That is why trees do not grow in the desert, because the climate is hot and dry and it receives very little rainfall. Okay, sometimes it does not rain for many years. But in deserts, sometimes it rains little, sometimes it doesn't rain, and sometimes it happens like that कि many years it doesn't rain even. कई साल बीत जाते हैं, बारिश ही नहीं होती. And that is why in desert area, because of less water, it has scattered bushes and thorny shrubs. Scattered means फैले हुए. आप देखिए कितने दूर दूर पेड़ हैं यहाँ पे. Scattered bushes और thorny shrubs होते हैं, कटीले पेड़ झाड़ियां होती हैं. Some places palm, baboor, कीकर, cactus, these plants they grow, they are the thorny, मतलब कटीले होते हैं, because they stop wasting water. That is why they change into thorns. These plants require little water, और ये इसीलिए ग्रो करते हैं because they require very little water. ठीक है. Farmers they grow wheat, ज्वार, बाजरा, gram means चना, है ना. When they get proper water, the government they set up India's largest wheat farm, that is at Suratgarh. Water is however found at some places in the desert, like sometimes when it rains, the water gets collected in ponds or streams, and sometimes the underground water that comes out and forms a pool, that is known as an oasis. Oasis is a fertile spot in the desert. Clear? Date palm trees grow at some places, at these places. Now, Indira Gandhi Canal, children. Indira Gandhi Canal is set up by the government so that the water from the Satluj River gets supplied to this Rajasthan area, and that is why it is also known as Rajasthan Canal or Indira Gandhi Canal. This Indira Gandhi Canal provides water to Ganganagar and Bikaner districts also. Children, in Rajasthan there is salt water lakes. Salt water lakes, नमकीन पानी वाले lakes भी हैं. In which Sambhar Lake in Rajasthan is India's largest salt lake. Clear, children? The camel is among the few domesticated animals found in the desert. Camel भी पालतू जानवरों में से एक माना जाता है डेजर्ट एरियाज में. It is also called the ship of the desert because they can move easily on the sand as they have the padded hoofs. Padded hoofs means गद्देदार पैर होते हैं and it does not sink in the sand. Sand में ये फिसलते नहीं हैं. Camel has a lump in its neck so that they can store water in it and they use it when they get no water. Children, they are saying कि we are only responsible for the desert areas because we are destroying forest. Always destroying forest means हम जंगलों को काट देते हैं and allowing animals for overgrazing. Overgrazing means जानवरों को चराते हैं जरूरत से ज्यादा and that is the reason we are increasing the desert areas. So what they are saying, stop cutting trees and overgrazing of animals if we want to stop desert areas. Clear? They said in the western part of Rajasthan, people they tame goats, sheep and camel because they give us milk. Clear? And they feed them with small bushes or dry wood. या तो उनको सूखा खाना देते हैं या dry छोटी छोटी bushes झाड़ियां. They move from one place to another in search of water and also to sell milk products, animal skin and handicrafts. ये लोग एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूव करते रहते हैं पानी की खोज में to sell milk products, animal skin and handicrafts. And as they keep moving with their things, with their belongings, that is why they are known as nomads. Nomads, they are banjaras. Keep on moving from one place to another. Now children, if you see, even today, people, they move across the desert in groups with camels called a caravan. Caravan कहलाता है जहां पर लोग अपने कैमल्स के साथ डेजर्ट एरियाज में एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूव करते रहते हैं. In the eastern part of Rajasthan, farming and animal rearing are common. Water stored in tanks and wells, they help them to irrigate the lands. People, they work in mines as mica and copper and zinc mines. Marble and sandstone are found in this region. Rajasthani craft things and tie and dye fabrics are very famous. The dryness of the air, sandstorms and sand dunes have helped the children. They are saying that people, they wear this dress because of the dryness of the air, sandstorms and the sand dunes, they keep on shifting from one place to another. They say that both men and women, they cover their heads to save themselves from the heat, sandstorms during the daytime. Men, they wear a turban, पगड़ी लगाते हैं सर पे. Girls, women, they wear घाघरा चोली and ओढ़नी, है ना. People, they in Rajasthan, they like to wear bright clothes, ठीक है, with spotted jewelry, with dark spots and jewelry. They speak Rajasthani language. Now children, Dashera, Diwali, Holi and Eid, they are the main festivals over there. Tej and Gangor are the main festivals that the women, they celebrate with full swings by singing songs and enjoying on the swings. Ghumar is a famous dance, folk dance of Rajasthan. Famous places of tourist attraction in Rajasthan are Udaipur and Jaipur. Lake Palace, Hawa Mahal and Amba Fort are famous in Rajasthan. Kota, Alwar and Chittor, they are the historical cities. Mount Abu is a famous hill station. Ajmer Sharif is very famous in Ajmer. It is a famous dargah over there. Jaipur is the capital city. It is also known as Pink City as most of the buildings over there colored with pink. Raja Jai Singh was the founder of Jaipur. Children, I gave you the summary of this chapter. Please listen it carefully and answer the queries. Thank you. Stay at home, stay safe and keep yourself healthy.